Hey, you want to know what it means to be an entrepreneur? Then stick with me because I'm about to tell you. Hi, my name is Jim Hart. I'm the founding attorney here at Hawthorn Law, where we help online businesses get their legal house in order so they can focus on what they do best. That is building something that truly matters in the world. This video is a little bit different. This is kind of the first in a series of day in the life type of videos that I want to do to kind of showcase what it means to be an entrepreneur and how things work behind the scenes, just so you can understand what's going on. So you told me you wanted to hear about entrepreneurship. This is a little bit different, but hopefully you like it. Clearly not in my office. I don't have the backdrop, the woody wood paneling. I'm actually in my kitchen. Coffee's brewing. It is 4:45 in the morning. Got up about 15 minutes ago. And this is how I start all my days, in case you're wondering, because this is what it means to be an entrepreneur. Anyone who thinks that being an entrepreneur means that you get a cushy lifestyle and you don't work a lot because you're just like chilling on the beach all the time, yeah, that's not the way this works. You know, I usually get up every morning around 4:30. I'll sleep in sometimes on Sundays, but usually 4:30. I get up, I do work here in the kitchen till about 6:30 or 7. Then I usually go for a run or take the dog for a long walk and then come back home, take a shower. If the kids are going to camp, which they've gone sporadically this summer to camp, then, God, my hair's looking good, isn't it? Then I will take them to camp and then come back home and work from home for a while, or on some days I'm going to the office, working from the office. And then usually every afternoon I've got calls. Those are when I schedule all my consult calls, client calls, like my the online business legal toolkit I just launched. I had a call yesterday afternoon, and I'm oftentimes on calls for most afternoons. And then I get home, and sometimes I'll do a little bit of work in the evening after the kids go to bed, but that's rare because the kids are, it's a loud coffee maker, I don't know if you can hear that, but the kids are typically, they stay up later and later now because they're getting older, so I typically do not work late at night because I'm getting up early. So this is the life, right? And so what it means when you're doing a schedule like this is that you have to be very regimented with your time and very regimented with what you are doing on a day-to-day basis. So I spend my most productive time is right now, between now and around 7 in the morning when I go for my walk or run. And actually, that's today. My wife has planned a huge day for us because, and I'll talk about this more on the channel. But basically, my wife is we're looking for another house because we've kind of outgrown this house. So we've got a day meeting with the realtor to go look at like 3 or 4 houses. So we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, this is what it's all about. And we've got this. The one thing I will say, and I've done this on some of the other videos, we've got this porch outside, and so sometimes I will work out there. Although it's been a hot summer, so the coffee is ready. So this is one of my favorite coffee mugs. I don't know if you can see that. It says, let's see, what does it say? It says Harry Truman's Little White House. If you've ever been to Key West, that is where Harry Truman spent the winters because it's beautiful down there. And he had his little White House down there where he would basically operate the country from. And the reason I like this is because you can't see it, and I'm not going to tip the coffee over to show you, but inside this cup, whenever you take a sip, it's got a little insignia and it says the buck stops here. And that's what I want you to take away from this today. The buck stops here. That's what it's about when you're an entrepreneur. That's what it's about when you're building your own business. The buck stops with you, and if you don't grow and you don't make something of your business, You only have one place to look, and that's in the mirror at yourself, because whether you're successful or you're not successful with your online business or your online endeavor, you're the only one to blame. And don't think it's anything other than that, because you can do this, and I'm in the process of doing it. I'm doing it right now. It's an amazing feeling once you kind of get over that hurdle and you really start to see some growth, and I know you can do this. So I almost forgot, a lot of you have been asking for a sip of coffee, so let's have a cup of coffee this morning. Let's get some stuff done, and let's build something amazing together. Here's another video right here that talks more about entrepreneurship and the topics related to entrepreneurship. I'll see you over in that video. Have a good day, folks. I love hot coffee. Peace out.